In this video, I'll be reviewing the Peel the Love PureCure Gel Manicure System by Butter London. The kit comes with everything you need for a peel-off gel manicure, but does it really work? Let's find out. This manicure system normally retails for $69, but it is currently on sale on the Butter London website for $52. In the box set, you get an instruction pamphlet, you get a full-sized LED lamp, you also get a little packet that has a wooden stick and file, the power cord for the LED light, and the kit comes with one color gel and one base/top coat gel. You also get several nail scrubber packets, which I'm guessing are just like alcohol wipes. Okay, so the instructions say to start by prepping the nails. This includes filing, buffing, and shaping them. Then cleanse the nails using the nail scrubbers 2-in-1 prep and lacquer remover wipes. So let's do that. Now that the nails are prepped, I'm going to set up the light, which is really cute, but I kind of think the power cord should have been white to match better, but that's just being nitpicky. The lamp has one button that turns on for 60 seconds, and there's also a power light that lets you know it's plugged in and ready to use. The next step is to apply the base/top coat gel. One thing about Butter London that took me a little too long to learn is that you can actually remove the plastic square cap to reveal an easier to manage lid. I have a few Butter London regular polishes that I used to use with the square lid on, and application felt pretty cumbersome. The instructions say to apply a thin layer of the base coat, then cure for 60 seconds. Next, we're going to apply the PureCure color gel that comes in the kit. This is the color Cheeky, and it's a neutral rosy shade. It looks like you can buy other PureCure gel colors from the website. The first coat applied smoothly. These Butter London gels felt a little thicker in consistency, which I prefer with gel because they don't move around as much. The first coat was also pretty sheer. I could still see my nail line very visibly, but the color was even. And I cured that for 60 seconds, then went in with a second coat. The second layer added a lot more coverage, and it hid my nail line good enough for me. I am trying this on my right hand just in case peeling it off does cause damage, so these nails are shorter. Longer nails may need an additional coat. I cured again, and now we're ready to top coat. When the nails come out of the lamp, they do have a sticky layer, so I removed that with a nail scrubber from the beginning. But the wipe had pretty much gone completely dry, so maybe put it back in the sleeve after you're done cleansing your nails to keep it saturated until the end of your manicure. Or you can just use regular rubbing alcohol. And here's the final result. I think the color is very pretty and universally flattering. Application was easy and user-friendly, but does it peel off without damage? The instructions say to remove, gently lift with your thumbnail or cuticle pusher around the edges and slowly peel. So here I'm trying to do that, and I'm not finding an edge, which usually is a good thing. Eventually I was able to get a corner and peel it up, and it didn't come off completely in one piece like the picture on the box, but it did come off. I was really nervous doing this part because it felt like how it feels to peel off regular gel, but as I removed it, I wasn't noticing any nail layers being pulled up along with it. The instructions suggest soaking the gel in warm water prior to peeling for an easier removal, and that did seem to help. The hardest part is definitely getting the peel started, which, like I said, is kind of a good thing. That shows that the gel should last a while. And here are my nails after peeling off the gel. They were pretty dry, but I didn't have any major damage. I'm not sure if I'd recommend doing this weekly because I think it's probably doing microscopic damage, but if you hate removing regular gel, this is a good option for you. I also ended up using the peel-off gel base coat underneath regular gels, and it did make removal easier. I didn't peel it off like I did this, but it soaked off in half of the time. Have you tried this product? If so, share your results and opinions in the comments below. And if you'd like to watch more reviews, you can just click on your screen here.